Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down a bit, then enter language and input options, then go to the virtual keyboard, Android keyboard, languages, and here you have the whole list of languages which you can type on your keyboard. Let's choose, for example, Thai language. And let's try to write down something in Thai language here. Let's change language, and as you can see, here I have my Thai keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.